class 11-12 integration of x cube dx divided by 1 plus x to the power 8 WBJE question. Solution, we write this equation here, and x to the power 8 we write in this form, x to the power 4 to the power whole square. Now let z equal to x to the power 4, so differentiate, we get dz get equal to 4x cube dx, so x cube dx equal to dz by 4. Now instead of x cube dx we write dz by 4. So integration sign, so here dz and x to the power 4 equal to z, so it will be z square. Now formula dz, integration of dz 1 plus z square equal to tan inverse z, so 1 by 4 tan inverse z, 1 by 4 tan inverse, putting the value of z equal to x to the power 4, so equal to 1 by 4 tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c. This is the answer.